Okay, hello everyone, this is Lewty and today I want to show you about this new Rescue S combo after this emergency cat limit in OCG. Different with TCG, they limit airlifter, and I was thinking airlifter is important for this check and make precision this card become limit, but not they limit emergency. Instead, I also put emergency into semi or a limit in my prediction, but they only hit the emergency. So it means this deck is still playable, but it will different from before. Because emergency is really important to summon in opponent turn, and you can get the value from let's say send preventer in opponent turn on, or you can summon anything you want in opponent turn. This card is really strong. And because of this card is limit, it's really important to cycling this card with reinforce, and I think reinforce is mandatory in main deck right now because it help you to cycling this emergency too. And yeah, let's start for this combo. In a combo before, you only need one airlifter to have emergency in opponent turn. You can also make a one card combo, but you will end up without emergency in opponent turn. So that's why I will show on this combo. You need airlifter plus wanted, and let's start summon airlifter, search emergency, activate emergency, special summon Hydran from your deck, and send airlifter. Next, Hydran, search turbulence, like this. Usually you finish this two to summon turbulence, but this card is limit, so it's really important to keep emergency in grave, because if this card in grave, you can cycling this with reinforce. So you need to summon Lingurbo first and summon turbulence, finishing Hydran plus airlifter. So after this, activate turbulence and set 4. I set reinforce, X twins and contain, plus alert. Yes, because you cannot set emergency anymore because it is a limit. So I set this 4. And next, I use wanted, search Diabel. And this is important too, and why Diabel is good in this deck, because you can set 4 force, and you can send one of this trapper spell, and where emergency is only, I usually send my own trap, and I can set it again with emergency effect. But right now with emergency limit, it's really important to have reinforce, and if you have wanted or Diabel Star in starting hand, you can spell summon Diabel Star with sending reinforce from your spell trap zone, and effect set the Snake Eye spell. And next, you can either send this Lengurbuh or this Double Star. It depends with your end port. So let's say you can send this Lengurbuh, and you can summon another Hydran. And now you can activate the alert, search preventer, Next, you can spell summon Preventer Vanishing Alert. Next, you have a 3 spell. So if you send a Linguriboh, you can direct summon into Selen. And Preventer effect, spell summon Hydran from Penision. And Selen, spell summon Diabel because you have 3 spell. And now you can summon Apollousa with it. Okay, and like this, Apollousa is really strong, especially in game 1, and because most people, I believe, will play Fire King, and Apollousa is really strong against Fire King. And next, you can use Reinforce, finish Reinforce, and set emergency. Next, you can activate the Wanted. Put this Snake Eye spell into bottom and draw 1 card. Like this. This is one of some end board, and I think like this is a good end board, especially in game 1, because no one play Nibiru in main deck, so I think this is really strong, especially in Fire King meta deck or under deck. Apollousa is really strong, and you don't need to worry about if opponent attack Apollousa with higher attack monster, because you have Linguriboh in grave. Sometimes you can use Linguriboh and tribute this Hydran and summon Linguriboh to protect your Apollousa against opponent monster attack. And you have emergency. With emergency, you can summon Preventer, let's say, or summon Fire Engine if you want to get more value with Fire Engine and free summon level of 4 or lower. So let's say if your opponent try to spam field, you can summon Fire Engine instead, and with Fire Engine you can free summon Impulse. And with Impulse, if your opponent activate effect monster, you can summon Preventer from your deck. So yeah, it depends with the situation, but the safe play is summon Preventer, and you can either send Preventer itself and summon this Airlifter in opponent turn. And with Airlifter you can search HQ, and with HQ you can cycling back all of your Rescue S card in your Banish or grave. So it depends with the situation, but this is really a strong board, especially in Fire King matchup. So let's say you try to get opponent Snake Eye S or Ponyx with content, and if your opponent try to chain with Kirin, you can chain Kirin with Apollousa, and you can destroy Kirin with this X-Twins trap. And if you have Hydran, Kirin will not activate effect from grave. So this is really a strong board, and yeah, I think that's it. If you want to keep play this deck, it's really important to know about this combo, especially to keep cycling your emergency with the Reinforce, and next turn you can cycling this to your deck with HQ, and next time you can set this cat limit turbulence. So yeah, I think that's it. If you have any question, you can comment below. And yeah.